Hello everyone. Have a marvelous day. Welcome to online class from Blue Star Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 4th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to read the class of for poem Run. So first take your English class work note. I hope you all have finished your class work, right? Yes. So while I am reading, keep your finger in a particular word. Read carefully. Your first part, mind map. The poem Run. Writer of the poem is Mary Daunt. The poet wishes to run away into the sun. Running is very good exercise. And then subtopic mind map. Benefits of running. Boost your confidence. Reduce stress. Improves our health. Avoid laziness. Next part, D words. D words, confidence, trust, benefits, profit, reduce, decrease, improve, develop. The next part, synonyms. Merry, cheerful, breeze, gentle wind, lane, pathway, meadow, field, races, contest. And then antonyms. Better, worse, lie, truth, sell, buy, hard, soft, country, city. And then last mind map. Wishes of the poet. Run. The poet wishes to run away into the sun. Run down the hillside. Run away from the city. He tells us to run back again after running through the meadow. The words country, nation, meadow, a field of grass, hillside, the side of hill, away, far off. Missing letters, race, meadow, country, wishes, merry. Complete the following sentence. I wish to run away into the sun. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run and be merry throughout the day. And short answer. First question. What does the poem tell us to do? The poet tells us to run away from the city towards the countryside, to run throughout the day to different places in the countryside and be happy and joyous. With what does the poet wish to raise? The poet wish. The poet wishes to run and race with nature to get to the country away from the city. Why did the poet say them to run throughout the day? The poet said them to run throughout the day so that they can rejoice and be happy. From where does the poet wish to run away? The poet wishes to run away from the city. Last short answer. What word shows the opposite of city in the poem? The word country shows the opposite of city in the poem. Detail answer. What does the poem tell us to do? In this poem, the poet asks the children to run and enjoy themselves. She asks them to go away from the city towards the countryside. She tells them to run into the sun, in the raindrops, and under the trees. She calls them out to run down the hillside, up the lanes, through the meadows, and then back again. The poet urges them to run throughout the day so that they can rejoice and be happy. Students, read well this poem because in your next class you are having test from this poem. Okay? Thank you.